Malolele, my name is Maria Havea, and my son and I have been part of the Te Mana Performing Arts group for 2 years now. My son Amron is 9 years old, and he's been enjoying learning the Fijian dances and the songs, the music, and also learning the language as well. He finds that a lot of the time he can hear words in the Fijian songs that are quite similar to Tongan words, which is our ethnicity, and I find being part of the Te Mana Performing Arts group is helping him to not only refine his learning in our Tongan language and culture at home, but also it's exciting to see how he can relate to his friends who are Fijian or Samoan, because as Polynesian we are all connected, and so this is a great pathway for him to participate in. And I can see as he grows older that he loves performing, and so it's another pathway, as I said, to expand his hobbies and interests outside of sports, and to also learn more about his own identity with his friends as well, whether they be Samoan or Fijian or Tongan. And so I think the program itself has been quite beneficial for us as a family, because we are learning more about ourselves within this Fijian environment, but also learning more about our cousins in the Pacific. So yeah, we love the program. Thank you.